Today we're diving into the complex world of navigating your visa status after overstaying a visit in the United States. We'll discuss the consequences, potential solutions, and crucial recommendations. Let's outline our video agenda. We will cover the consequences of overstaying a visa, explore if changing status is possible, consider marriage and adjustment of status, and lastly, we'll provide essential recommendations. Overstaying your visa in the U.S. has significant consequences. Firstly, it can trigger a re-entry ban. This ban can last up to 3 years if you overstay more than 180 days, but less than a year. If you overstay a year or more, you could face a 10-year ban. Additionally, being out of status makes you vulnerable to deportation. Quiz time. What is the re-entry ban period for overstaying your visa by more than 180 days but less than a year? Here are your options: 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years. You may pause the video to think about it if you like. We will discuss the answer in the next section. If you guessed 3 years, you're correct. Overstaying for more than 180 days but less than a year results in a 3-year re-entry ban. Can a change of status help if you've overstayed your visa? Generally, to change your status, you need to be in valid legal status. And unfortunately, once you've overstayed, this option is not available to you. Attempting to change status while being out of status can lead to denial of the application and may further complicate any future visa applications you wish to make. Now let's look into marriage as a potential path. If you marry a U.S. citizen, it could potentially help your situation. The most common route is marriage to a U.S. citizen and then applying for adjustment of status to secure a green card. It's important to note that marriage alone does not grant legal status. You need to file the necessary paperwork to start the process, so that should be your priority after the marriage. Here are some key recommendations to guide you through this tricky situation. First and foremost, seek legal advice from an immigration attorney. They can provide tailored advice for your unique situation. If you are eligible, file for adjustment of status as soon as possible. Also, remember the risks of overstaying remain significant, and be sure you fully understand your individual circumstances, as each case is unique. Another question for you: what is the recommended step to take if you are eligible while dealing with visa status issues? Your options are: ignore all advice, file promptly for adjustment of status, wait for a notification, or travel back immediately. Pause to consider your choice, and we will discuss the answer next. The best course of action is to file promptly for adjustment of status if eligible. Acting swiftly can prevent further complications with your visa status. To sum up, understanding the consequences like potential bans and deportation risks is crucial. Changing status is typically not an option after overstaying your visa. However, marrying a U.S. citizen may be a viable solution if done correctly. Always seek legal advice and act promptly when eligible for filing. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more content just like this.